To create a subsite in SharePoint, you can either go here to the site contents in the quick launch, or you can click the settings icon here and choose site contents. And then we're going to choose new subsite down here on the bottom of the list. Here you can give it a friendly name, like I'm going to call this my new subsite. You can give it a description, the website address. This is where you want to make the link either intuitive or shortened, like with an abbreviation. For example, I'll do my new site. Keeping the URL short is important because as you grow in SharePoint and as people store files, you want to be mindful of these URL lengths. They cannot exceed so many characters, and to prevent errors from happening in the future when people upload files or create new folders, you want to keep these URLs as short as possible. So I'm going to use an abbreviation here for MNS. You choose your language if you have globalization set up, and then you can choose your site template. In this case, I'm just going to choose a team site. You can decide if you want to use the same permissions as the parent site, or you're going to have a totally new set of permissions. In this case, I'm just going to inherit from the parent site. And then, do we want to use the top link bar from the parent site? Totally up to you. It depends on how you're branding your subsite, or if it's just going to be a place to do something different, you might want to say no. When we're all set, hit create. And it's working on it. And there's your new subsite. You can get started with it the same way you would any other SharePoint site.